Beautiful people, welcome to another video. I'm in Portsmouth for a comedy show which has already started, so this intro will be very short. And also it doesn't help that there's a lot of sound from the background from a cathedral church that's just behind the place where we're having a comedy show. So yeah. Now, ladies and gentlemen. So beautiful people, we are here where I'm performing tonight at the Dolphin in Portsmouth Harbour, and we are here for a good cause. We are not just here to do comedy, but we are here to do comedy for a good cause. And here we've got Nadia, and Nadia was just telling me about this wonderful book that she wrote. You guys know I'm from Durban, and being from Durban means I eat a lot of curries because we are the city with the biggest population of Indians outside India. So I eat a lot of Indian food. So obviously I was attracted to the book. I was like, I need to know about this book. I need to find out because I need all these recipes here. So Nadia, tell us about the book, please.
Okay, so my mum and dad, they come from, my dad's Indian Punjabi and my mum's Pakistani. They married and they came to Portsmouth on a honeymoon, believe it or not, here. They loved it so much that they had us as children. We were born here in Portsmouth. They then decided to...
So they came for the honeymoon and never went back?
No, they loved it that much. Yep. And then they decided to create an Indian cookery school, of which then people turned up. In fact, Mum said to me she wasn't sure if anybody would turn up.
They were tired of the food with no spices.
Exactly, back then in the 80s, it was really bland food, yeah. So Mum thought, right, let's spice it up. So she then ran an Indian cookery school, of which 70 people turned up on the first night.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, so Mum said to me she then split them into groups of 10 and then started teaching. And then they decided to write a book, a cute little book that went out into the market. And this book then got sold, given to students, and it was my mum's dream to be go out and do something different in the community. What happened was though, we moved area and my parents don't drive, so they couldn't get to the cookery school. And then my mum misplaced her book, her copy, got lost, and then for years we were looking for that book. Yeah.
So at the time, had she published a book to sell, or was it just a book for the students at the cookery school?
It was both. So she had for sale and for the students as well. Yes. So from that, I then thought, you know what? If I ever find this book, I'm actually going to do it for you. And I remember being 8 years old, thinking, I'm going to find it. I'm going to do this. So for years we looked for the book, and then one day I was at work. We were actually by the restaurant, so ironic, by the restaurant talking about food, and a colleague of mine said to me, I think my father was on the Indian cookery school back in the 80s. So I said to her, okay, can you check? And believe it or not, she then the next day came with the original book that my mum and dad signed.
How wonderful is that?
Yeah, absolutely amazing. In fact, I should have bought it today, shown you.
How wonderful is that? You'll send me a picture, then I can just insert it in the video.
Yeah.
That's nice. And it's the only copy you have?
Only copy that I've got, yes. Yeah. So I definitely believe that it was time to then, republish it. So then I took it home. And my dad said to me, it's come to you out of all the children, it's your path, it's your journey, can you republish it? And I thought, how the heck do you write a book? No one's taught me what to do. So I spent 4.5 years of pure love, dedication, everything went into this book of love.
Oh, this is wonderful. And the recipes here, guys, yeah. And it's not just the recipes, it's got a story as well.
It's got a story, it's got a meaning, it's got a purpose. It's got QR codes, it's got videos, and it donates out to clean water in India, Africa, Sri Lanka and Pakistan as well. The book has my mum and dad's name in it, Riaz and Khalida, and they're from Karachi.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so it's a fusion of both of them in there. It's also got some of my recipes in there as well to blend it through. So Mum said to me, we need to make it like a mother-daughter as well book. So that's what we did.
Thank you so much for sharing your story. So guys, I will leave a link. Please buy the book because the recipes are the best. You will love it. And can I get all the ingredients here in England?
Easy. Tesco, Sainsbury, easy. Absolutely easy. We actually do cookery classes now, so I've opened up Mum's thing again, the cookery
Oh, that's
school.
nice.
And the price is £19.87, which is the year they published, 1987.
Oh, nice. So how many classes?
Once a month at the moment, but we're going to be hopefully getting more
Okay,
in.
I'll come. I'll speak to you. I'll register for one.
Yeah,
I
please
need
do.
to come.
That'd be so cool.
And I've got a friend who's coming back from home. She's flying back tomorrow, and the amount of spices that my sister is sending for me is amazing. So I'm going to use them with these recipes.
Amazing.
Thank you so much, Nadia.
Total
And guys,
pleasure.
the comedy also, the money from the comedy goes for a good cause for the clean water in India, Africa, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Yeah, that's it. Yes, yeah. And you can buy this from Waterstones online.
Oh, is it? I'll share a link.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Now we've got people who are here to laugh, so let's go and make love to them. Thank you, that was so wonderful. Beautiful people, the food I'm eating is cooked from the ingredients that we were talking about. All the recipes are from the book, and it is so yummy. It is. It tastes like I am eating food from home. It doesn't taste like food from a pub. It is just so good. The taste is amazing. So please do try out the recipes from the book. Buy the book. I'll put the link down in the comment section. Check it out, and also please don't forget to help with building wells in the countries that we mentioned: India, Africa, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. And please click on the link. And the food.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside.
Now, I'm not going to bang on before I bring on our headline act, ladies and gentlemen. But let me just set the pace. But, no. So her name is Tenjiwe. I'm going to tell you her name now, because by the time I bring her on stage, you guys are going to scream and clap so loud you're not going to hear me pronounce it, alright? Her name is Tenjiwe. And let me tell you about Tenjiwe. She has over 1 million followers on social media, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, fuck off. That means a lot in this day and age. She's got over 1 million followers, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise! She has appeared on multiple TV stations, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, yes. You guys heard of Netflix? No? All right, well, if you have Netflix, maybe you've seen her. But we're very lucky to have her here with us tonight, ladies and gentlemen. She's here. We're very lucky to have her. Please join me in bringing her onto the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, your headliner this evening, Tenjiwe!
Portsmouth, how are you doing tonight? Wow, so lovely to be here. We're going to pretend that we have 1,000 people, and you're going to give me the energy, because the more energy I get from you, the more energy I can give out to you. It's so lovely to be here. I'm from South Africa. Do we have South Africans in here tonight? Yes. Oh, you made it out of load shedding. Load shedding is when we go sometimes for hours, sometimes for days without electricity. It's just part of our life. That's why when I first came here, I got so confused that people think it's romantic to light candles. I was like, that's the reason I left home. It's not candles are what we use at home. And lovely to have you, my fellow South African brother. Do we have Americans in Portsmouth? Oh, good. Let's talk about them.
Madam King, Roland Cashew, Leaf, and Lepo. We'll be running fast to Fratton, Avent, Petersfield and Esumere before others come to watch it. Thank you.
So guys, we are finally on the train.
You're grumpy anyway.
And I had to rush. Like as soon as I dropped the mic, grabbed my bags and I left. But I did manage to get my book, which is here, and it's signed. Yay! I will put a link for you guys to get the book. But the train is severely delayed, and I will be home much later than I had planned, but I'm just glad to be home. I actually went to the station, train was cancelled, had to get a taxi to another station, and fortunately at least it's delayed here, but it's going, so on my way home.